Do you want me to let myself be chased off the field by the public opinion and the compact majority and all that devilry? No, thank you. And what I want to do is so simple and clear and straightforward. I only want to drum into the heads of these fools the fact that considerations of expectancy turn morality and justice upside down, and that they'll end by making life here unbearable. It's the party leaders that need to be exterminated. A party leader is like a wolf. You see, like a voracious wolf. He requires a certain number of smaller victims to prey upon each year if he is to live. How many smaller victims have they not already put an end to, or at any rate maimed and mangled until they are fit for nothing except to be householders or subscribers to the people's messenger?